One of the most common beginner mistakes is trying to make a loud tone, which in most cases results in vocal overuse and fatigue, and in worst case scenario in vocal fold damage. If you sing too loud, chances are you are straining your voice. If you sing too soft, you probably don't have a proper vocal closure and or breath balance to begin building up your voice in the first place. Mastering dynamics takes time, skill, and muscle, something that is usually not present at the beginning and needs time to properly build up. But if you don't have a balanced breath and tone, chances are that you will not even get to the building up part because your muscles will not work properly in order to grow. So one of the important things to keep in mind is not to attempt to reproduce volumes, because singers or teachers that show you the exercises or songs most likely have a muscle mass to begin with. So don't think about dynamics, but rather focus on your breath management, body alignment, and relaxation. These are indispensable in achieving and mastering a better, healthier, and more present sound. Your muscles will tone in time with proper exercising and produce a louder, more consistent sound with a wider dynamic range that you can play with and explore.